In this question, you're given that L1 is the line of intersection of these two planes, L2 is the line of intersection of these two planes, and the distance from origin of the plane containing L1 and L2 is what? So in this question, you need to find L1 first and L2 next, and you need to find the plane containing L1 and L2, and then find the distance of that plane from origin. We have 4 different things to do in this question. So first, let us try to find the line of intersection of these two planes. So you don't need to find the equation of the line. So you just need to find a point on the line and the direction of the line. So if you find these two, you know everything about the line. Similarly, here also you need to find the point and the direction. So how do you get the direction of line of intersection? The line of intersection is lying on this plane as well as this plane. So that line is normal to this normal as well as this normal. So what is the normal to the first plane? 2, minus 2, 3. These are the DRs of normal to the first plane. 1, minus 1, 1 is the normal to the next plane. So to find the direction of the line of intersection, you just need to do the cross product. So what do you get? I times minus 2 plus 3 is 1, minus j times 2 minus 3 is minus 1, plus k times minus 2 plus 2 is 0. That is I plus j plus 0k. That is 1, 1 and 0. Now what is the line of intersection? What is the point? What is the sample point on the intersection of these two lines? So I need to find a sample point which lies on first plane as well as the second plane. So what I try to do is I'll put x is equal to 0. So I'll find a point on these two planes corresponding to x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, you get minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 2, minus y plus z is equal to minus 1. So if you solve these two, you multiply this with 2 and subtract 1 from the other. So 3z minus 2z is z is equal to 2, minus of minus 2 is plus 2, 4. So z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 4. And if z is equal to 4, what is y? 2y is equal to 3z minus 2. 3z is 12 minus 2. So y is equal to 5. So a sample point which lies on both these planes is 0, 5 and 4. Similarly, let's go to the second plane. Now what is the direction of the line of intersection of these two? I, j, k, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2. So I times 4 minus 1 is 3, minus j times 2 plus 3 is 5, plus k times minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. So what are the directions? 3, minus 5 and minus 7. And you don't need to find this point. You can save some time by not finding this point, because I want a plane containing both the lines. So I already have 2 direction vectors and 1 point. So this will be sufficient to find the plane. So what is the equation of plane? Containing these 2 directions passing through this point. So x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. The first direction vector, the second direction vector is equal to 0. This implies x times minus 7 minus of y minus 5 times again minus 7 plus z minus 4 times minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8 is equal to 0. So effectively you get minus 7x plus 7y minus 8z. So effectively you get minus 35 plus 32. Minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the required plane. Now what is the distance of this plane from origin? Constant term by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So required distance from origin is 3 by root of 49 plus 49 plus 64 is 162. So 162 is nothing but 81 times 2. So that is equal to 3 by 9 root 2. 3 by 9 root 2, which is equal to 1 by 3 root 2. So this will be the required answer. Thank you.